Hi everyone and welcome back to Mad Investor. As you know, I like to cover some news and tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to start trading meme coins on OKX wallets. So to do that, you just need to download the newest OKX app, and within the app, the first thing which you need to do is on the top of your app, you need to swap from exchange to wallet, because obviously OKX has an exchange, but you can also have the Web3 wallet on the app itself. So the first thing which you'll do is you'll press create a wallet. Then it will ask you to set up your seed phrase. So this is something which is very important. When you create your wallet, you need to keep your seed phrase safe with a cloud backup or write it by your kind of own somewhere on the paper. I recommend you to do both. Just put on the cloud like Drive, but kind of the best option is to just write it down somewhere on the paper, because remember, paper is not hackable. So you press create a wallet. For me, it wants to use fingerprint recognition. By the way, you can also connect the hardware wallet if you have it. Awesome, loading a wallet. Now, the wallet is created, cool. So it tells me immediately secure your wallet by backing up, backup to cloud, or manual backup. With manual backup, it will tell you that it will give you the seed phrase and a private key, which you need to write it down. Make sure that you write it down, because it's not like an account which you can kind of recover without it. So like it's extremely important. So now we have the wallet available here. So you can go to trade, and you have many different options here, like markets. You can swap, you can do spots, and obviously derivatives. You also have the marketplace for the NFTs. So there is a lot of different NFTs right here available to you. The DeFi, and also the Discover section, which is kind of like a learning hub, I would call it. So we'll go to trade, because I want to show you today on the swap section the new meme mode. So as you can see on the top, I have the meme right here, and when you press that meme, you'll see that you have the meme mode available to you. So with a new OKX wallet, you can actually trade meme coins with zero trading fees. So there are no trading fees which are charged in the meme modes, and meme mode doesn't require custody of your private key. So your asset and privacy are secure, and this is only available at the for the Solana network right now. So here I would need to paste the Solana tokens contract address if I would like to buy it. But before I do that, I want to cover some basics when it comes to the benefits of the OKX wallet. The first one is instant buys, because you can quickly buy and sell Solana meme coins in just one tap using the preset amount of SOL. The second is self-custody, as I mentioned, and the third one, zero fees. But additionally, which I should kind of mention, is that you have kind of a risk assessment. So I would recommend you to avoid honeypots, hidden taxes, and racks thanks to the proactive security notices. There is a track overview as well, which track the market movements, money flows, and transaction easily with a Liquidity Monitor. And you can use DEX bridge in a single click for transaction like SOL to Ethereum, Ethereum to base Ethereum, or SOL to BTC. So it's very cool and very easy. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some Solana token address, and I'm going to just open some of the websites, which let's just grab top tokens, maybe from CoinGecko or some others. Alright, so I went to CoinGecko, and with CoinGecko, top Solana meme coins by market cap. Great. So let's maybe go with Doc with hats, for example. And with Doc with hats, we're gonna grab the contract of it. So, by the way, I'm not recommending Doc with hats. This is just to show you how does it actually work. So I'm gonna copy the Solana. If you don't see, you should actually see the Solana contract here, because I just searched for the Solana ones, but you can copy right here. Sorry, we're going here, and I'm gonna paste the address. Yeah, it shows me the meme mode. So now within the meme mode, I can either buy or sell. As you can see, it shows me the width, which is the token I just grabbed it from the doc with hats. So with right now, I can, you know, buy with SOL, so payment amount in SOL. So you need to send some SOL to your accounts. Then it tells you how much would you like to buy, what will be the quote price, what's the slippage you would like to use. So it's kind of the same if you ever used the pancake swap before. This is the slippage amount, because you cannot, you know, buy the exact price, exact amount. You need to put a bit of a slippage, so if the price is going slightly up and down, especially if the coins are more volatile. And there is like a lot of volatility in some of the meme coins. So setting a slippage between 5 and 10%, I think it's reasonable. I wouldn't recommend it put it more than 20%, because yeah, then your portfolio might get dropped a bit. As you can see, it says priority fee, market fee 0.005 SOL, which is just a fee on the details. So then when you press order details, you will see how does it exactly work and what did you do. And then you'll press literally quick buy with. And then it says OKX DEX derives all its liquidity from third-party liquidity pools and does not conduct any transaction directly. So all meme mode orders are executed by third party. I understand, to confirm. Thanks to it, boom, I can quickly just buy it or sell it. And these are kind of the two things which you can do here. And, you know, that's something which I like, because it makes it very easy, very affordable, and very quick to buy meme coins using that meme mode. So I totally recommend you to grab a look. Obviously for me it's swapping, because I actually didn't add it that much SOL on my account. But as you can see, you can add the contracts here and use it in a simple matter. And I think your swap is unlikely to succeed. Yes, exactly, because I didn't put the SOL on my account. This is a very fresh account. So with that, I totally recommend you to grab a look, because thanks to it, in a simple matter, you can start trading the meme coins on OKX wallet without, you know, participating in any exchange and stuff like that. And I think that's extremely cool for OKX to do that. This is it from me. I hope you enjoyed that video. If yes, you know what to do. Just hit that like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take care.
Mad investors in town, sharing hidden treasures he's found. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, his knowledge knows no bounds. Unlocking the secrets of the blockchain.